There are two voices in your head after you make a mistake. One says, I did something bad. The other says, I am bad. The first voice is guilt. It's helpful. The second voice is shame. It's destructive. Understanding the difference between these two emotions is the single most important step in renewing your mind. Today, we're defining the psychology of shame and guilt, and showing you how to use guilt to drive change while silencing the voice of shame. Guilt, I made a mistake, leads to apology, repair, and change. Shame, I am a mistake, leads to hiding, isolation, and self-hatred. Psychological link. Guilt is a healthy moral compass. Shame is a core wound that prevents vulnerability and connection. Biblical link. Godly sorrow leads to repentance, guilt. Worldly sorrow leads to death, shame. 2 Corinthians 7:10. Theological truth. The gospel removes shame, not guilt. Jesus took the shame of the cross so we could be free from the burden of being a mistake. Actionable tip. When you feel shame, practice vulnerability. Shame thrives in secrecy. Confess your mistake, guilt, to a trusted friend or mentor. The act of being seen and accepted despite your mistake is the most powerful shame buster. Key takeaway. Guilt says, go and sin no more. Shame says, go and hide. Concept. Healthy guilt is a signal that your actions are out of alignment with your values. It's a call to action. Actionable tip. When you feel guilt, ask yourself, what is this guilt trying to teach me about my values? Then, make a plan to repair the damage and change the behavior. Warning: if your guilt is constant and disproportionate to the offense, it may be a sign of scrupulosity, OCD, and requires professional help. It's time to stop letting shame define you. If you want to learn more about living a life free from shame, subscribe to the Renewed Mind Project and let me know in the comments, what is one lie of shame you are going to reject today?